Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into data input into Bitrix24 CRM, and by the end, you will have all the insights you need. So, grab a seat, hit that like button, and let's get started on how to import data into Bitrix24, whether it will be contact, companies, leads, and deals. Whether you are migrating from another system or adding new contacts, the import process is straightforward and saved your valuable time. So let's start. Once you are logged into your Bitrix24 account, head to the CRM section. So first we will click on the CRM option. This is where all your client and lead management happen. We will see here the lead, deal, and the customer section here. So for the leads, deals, and the contact and companies, the import process is the same. We have to just prepare one CSV file that will be a Excel, and we have to convert it CSV, and so that we can directly import that file into Bitrix24. So we will see one by one. So first we will see the lead import. The process is same for all the three parameters, whether it will be customer section or deal section. The process is the same. So now that you are in the CRM section, look for the input button. So here is the setting option in the right side corner. Just click on that setting option. Here you will get the import option. It's usually located in the top right corner as I'm right now showing into the system. Just click on that import option. Next, you will be asked where you are importing your data from. Bitrix24 supports various file types like CSV and Excel. If you are importing from another system, you can select one of the pre-built integrations available. For this demonstration, let's choose the CSV file. So first there will be an option choose file. Just click on that option, and now we have already lead import CSV file. I'm just adding the CSV file. For the second option, we will get the data file encoding. So we have to select ASCII. ASCII code we have to select. Responsible person, you can see if I am the importer, then my ID will automatically fetched. So for whatever data I have importing, the responsible person for this leads, it's by default it's my name. Also, column separator, as we have choose CSV file, so we have to select comma. Now just click on next. Now we will see the field section. This is the second process in the file importing, that is fields. After choosing a file, it will be prepared for the next step, that is field choosing. Once it's uploaded, Bitrix24 will automatically recognize the column in your file such as names, emails, phone number, etc. For example, we have to import this data and we have lead name, phone, email, position, city, ID, name, company name, etc. We will see all the fields are there. They are automatically matched. Some fields are not matched. We have to just match the fields. So I'm matching it one by one. Let's see, for the lead name, it has to go in the lead name. So I have choose the lead name. Then phone, that is work phone. Then email, for the email I'm choosing work email. Position, city, ID, name in the first name, and then company name. So what is mean that here's where is the magic happens. Bitrix24 will ask you to map your fields, columns to the corresponding CRM fields. For example, name column will be mapped to the first name field, that is here. The name field, the name column will map to the name first name field in the CRM, and email will go to the work email field. If any field don't automatically match, you can just manually select the correct option from the drop down, just like I have done. Before finalizing the import, you can review the data settings. This includes checking if you want to update existing records, create new entries, or even add notes to new contacts. You can also choose how Bitrix24 will handle duplicates. Now I'm clicking to next. This is the third process in Bitrix24 in data import, that is duplicate control. If there is some duplicate data, then you can just select the merge option or skip or replace existing or import all. This is for the duplicate control. Now I'm just clicking on next. Bitrix24 will process your file, and in just few movements your data will be imported into the CRM. And this data is had successfully imported into the lead section. As you can see in my screen, that is 6 data has been successfully imported. We'll check our CSV file, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There is 6 data, and we have imported another lead data into the Bitrix24. If you want to import another file, then you can choose that option and just click on done. Now we have successfully imported the leads, and that's it. Now you can go to the CRM and see all your imported contacts and leads in the relevant section. See, if we have imported the leads, there are the leads which we have imported. We can see one by one, that is 6. Also, it is showing that 1 minute ago and the responsive person. So for the cross check, we will open first one to check whether data is landed correctly or not. So we can see the position is assistant manager. This is lead name, this is phone, this is email, that is ID. For the content D, we will see assistant manager Nashik 106 and prime Vasa. So data already imported, that is correct. So that's how you can import your existing data from other CRM or another file to Bitrix24. Now your Bitrix24 CRM is up to date with all the important data. You can start using your CRM to track and manage customer relationships more efficiently. Remember, this process works for both large and small data sets, and Bitrix24 offers additional tools to help automate your workflow once your data is imported. We will see in the list option our data is successfully imported. Just like that, you can import the deals, also you can import contacts, and also you can contact or you can import companies. The process is the same. We have to just make one CSV file, and we have to just follow the step which I have already explained to you. So that's it. Now, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, and don't like to forget, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comment below, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.